Hey Bashid, so this is your website. Looking at it, it doesn't look like you have too much content on there. You only have 275 words. Google loves content, so the more content you have, the better. It's a way to have keywords on your website, or Google. The more content you have, Google can find more keywords in there, as well as it'll help you ranking. Google loves content. Um, the next thing would be images. Let's see if I can find one. Let's see. Normally I can find some. I don't know if you have any images on your website. These are just, yeah. So anyways, I can't find images on your website. I'll show you in a second what I mean. HVAC Snellville, I typed that in. These are ads. These are yet to be Google verified. They're supposed to be a little less spammy, and then you got the normal ads here. And then you got the GMB, and then you got organic ranking, grabbing this top guy. This is what his website looks like. He's got a little more content. He's got 638 words, so you'd want to have probably 1,000 at least. But you can never hurt to have more. The more content, the better. Anyways, here's the. That's not an image either. Why am I having such a hard time? Here we go. Found an image. Yep, he doesn't have it saved right. He just has it saved as what it is. But yeah, you would want that to be saved as a keyword. So on your website, if you have images, you want them saved as keywords, like HVAC, Snellville, or air conditioning repair, AC repair, Snellville, or whatever keyword you want, as well as location you want to be ranking for. I'm going to go to Ahrefs, plug in here. You don't have any UR or DR. You got 2 backlinks, 1 referring domain, 0 keywords. We can see what the backlinks are. They're from Wolverine, Aardvark. I'm guessing that was just your it's a domain that you own. It just links back to your website. But yeah, let's plug in this guy. He's got a 34 UR, 13 DR, 2,370 backlinks, 95 referring domains, 477 keywords, and he's got 319 people coming to his website a month. He also pinged for 1 keyword with Google Ads, plumbers. So he's spending $40 or around $40 a click to get plumbers. There's 20 people that search that month, 1 KD. So that's a stupid. Well, I mean, it must be worth it to him, but I would definitely not do that. There's better keywords out there to grab. But first, I don't want to be too sidetracked. First, let's go to the backlinks. Not all backlinks are created equal. You want to go after backlinks that have a high DR, high UR score. You don't want to go for ones that are low and spammy. Google knows what a spammy backlink looks like, as well as you want to go for ones that are relevant to industry. You don't want to go after ones that, you don't want to go after fast food or, deep sea diving. You want to go something that's relevant. Other, furnace repairs, AC repair, other websites that are relevant, even plumbing, just basically other services that are relevant to your industry. These are no follow. Let's see what this one is. I'm guessing he has. He's in here somewhere. I'm not sure if you consider this a directory, if you'd consider this a sponsor, or what exactly you'd consider this. It's a news. So it might be as simple as your business hiring. Fill out this form. So yeah, so this is just a news article. You just fill out this form. It's a free backlink, and I think it's a pretty good backlink. 46 and 13. It's also a do follow. So right there, I would go after that backlink, get that on your website. These ones are no follow. You can go after them too. It's just a coupon, it looks like. Yeah, I just added this coupon to this mybestcouponcodes.com. So you can grab that one too if you wanted. Honestly, it's not. There's better ones out there, but you can get it. It's not terrible. But yeah, you can go through there, grab all the ones you like from him, go to other companies, grab theirs. You want to make sure you stay away from the spammy ones, and you want to make sure they're relevant to the industry. Other ones you can get, be blog commenting, blogging, guest posts, sponsors, news articles, citations, directories. There's a bunch of them out there that you can go after. Let's check out what this guy is ranking for with keywords. I guess must have a blog. Yep, he's got a blog page. He's ranking first for that. And he gets a lot of people to that blog for that one. But anyways, Sneville Heating and Air, 250 volume, 4 KD, very easy to rank for. So remember how I told you that guy he's paying for that plumber? Let me go back. This is sidetracked. I like to get sidetracked, my bad. So he is paying, there's 20 volume plumbers in Sneville. He's paying $40 a click. And only 20 people are searching that, okay? 20 people a month. And this one right here, Sneville Plumber, 200 volume, 0 KD, very easy to rank for. It's $30 a click. I can't remember what he was paying. Maybe it was 20, maybe it was 40. I can't remember. Maybe it was 30. But anyways, a lot more volume here. But I'll show you something better in a second. Yeah, I mean, I don't know why I'm talking about plumbers. I don't think you do that. If you know a plumber, it's very easy to go for those and rank for those. Snowball Heating and Air, 250 and 4. Heating and Air, Snowball, Georgia, 20 and 3. AC Repair, Snowball, Georgia, 50 and 0. Very good one right there. Also, this one is no one's paying for ads for there if you want to do ads as well. AC Repair, 50 and 0. Air Conditioning, Loganville, Georgia, 50 and 0. There's a lot in here. There's a lot. But yeah, you can come in here and find all the ones that you like. If I was that guy doing the plumber ones, I would go for this city if he services it, because you can pay, $1 a click right there. No one's doing ads for that one. So I would do that one. You get 40 clicks versus 1 click. So it's good to check out if you want to do Google ads. Check this stuff out too. Anyways, that's the end of my sidetrack. Sorry about that. Let's go to the GMB, talk about this for a bit. So if you don't have one, set one up. It's free to do. You want to make sure you fill out 100%. It's pretty, you don't want to skip steps. Then you want to add as many photos as you can. The photos of the content for your GMB. Then you want to make sure you get citations. You want to make sure the citations are just directories. You want to make sure your name is the same, your phone number, and your location are the same as on the directory. This guy has 31 citations. Citations, just directories, Yellow Pages, Yelp, BBB. You can get social profile citations too, like Yahoo, Facebook, Pinterest, YouTube. There's a bunch out there. You can Google for more. You can grab all this guys and then go get ones yourself. 3 best rated also as a citation. But yeah, there's a lot of them out there. It's time consuming, but it's something you can definitely do. Anyways, hope that helped. Thanks for watching. Sorry I got sidetracked so much. I would love to hear your feedback on this video. Thanks for watching. If you want, we can talk more. I hope you have a good rest of your day.